Be ready, start. The word technology and its uses have immensely changed since the 20th century, and with time it has continued to evolve ever since. We are living in a world driven by technology. The advancement of technology has played an important role in the development of human civilization, along with cultural changes. Technology provides innovative ways of doing work through various smart and innovative means. Electronic appliances, gadgets, faster modes of communication, and transport have added to the comfort factor in our lives. It has helped in improving the productivity of individuals and different business enterprises. Technology has brought a revolution in many operational fields. It has undoubtedly made a very important contribution to the progress that mankind has made over the years. Technology has reduced the effort and time and increased the efficiency of the production requirements in every field. It has made our lives easy, comfortable, healthy, and enjoyable. It has brought a revolution in transport and communication. The advancement of technology along with science has helped us to become self reliant in all spheres of life. With the innovation of a particular technology, it becomes part of society and integral to human lives after a point in time. Technology has changed our day to day lives. Technology has brought the world closer and better connected. Those days have passed when only the rich could afford such luxuries. Because of the rise of globalization and liberalization, all luxuries are now within the reach of the average person. Today, an average middle class family can afford a mobile phone, a television, a washing machine, a refrigerator, a computer, the internet, etc. At the touch of a switch, a man can witness any event that is happening in very distant places. We cannot escape technology. It has improved the quality of life and brought about revolutions in various fields of modern day society, be it communication, transportation, education, healthcare, and many more. Let us learn about it. With the advent of technology in communication, which includes telephones, fax machines, cellular phones, the internet, multimedia, and email communication has become much faster and easier. It has transformed and influenced relationship in many ways. We no longer need to rely on sending physical letters and waiting for several days for a response. Technology has made communication so simple that you can connect with anyone from anywhere by calling them via mobile phone or messaging them using different messaging apps that are easy to download. Innovation in communication technology has made an immense influence on social life. Human socializing has become easier by using social networking sites, dating, and even matrimonial services available on mobile applications and websites. Today, the internet is used for shopping, paying utility bills, credit card bills, admission fees, e commerce, and online banking. In the world of marketing, many companies are marketing and selling their products and creating brands over the internet. In the field of travel, cities, towns, states, and countries are using the web to post detailed tourist and event information. Travelers across the globe can easily find information on tourism, places to stay, weather, maps, timings for events, transportation schedules, and buy tickets to various tourist spots and destinations. Technology has increased efficiency and flexibility in the workspace. Technology has made it easy to work remotely, which has increased the productivity of the employees. External and internal communication has become faster through emails and mobile apps. Robots are now being used to manufacture products that consistently deliver the same product without defect until the robot itself fails. Artificial intelligence and machine learning technology are innovations that are being deployed across industries to reap benefits. Technology has wiped out the manual way of storing files. Now files are stored in the cloud, which can be accessed at any time and from anywhere. With technology, companies can make quick decisions, act faster towards solutions, and remain adaptable. Technology has optimized the usage of resources and connected businesses worldwide. For example, if the customer is based in America, he can have the services delivered from India. They can communicate with each other in an instant. Every company uses business technology like virtual meeting tools, corporate social networks, tablets, and smart customer relationship management applications that accelerate the fast movement of data and information. Technology is making the education industry improve over time. With technology, students and parents have a variety of learning tools at their fingertips. Teachers can coordinate with classrooms across the world and share their ideas and resources online. Students can get immediate access to an abundance of good information on the internet. Teachers and students can access plenty of resources available on the web and utilize them for their project, work, research, etc. Online learning has changed our perception of education. The COVID 19 pandemic brought a paradigm shift using technology where school going kids continued their studies from home and schools facilitated imparting education by their teachers online from home. Students have learned and used 21st century skills and tools like virtual classrooms, that is, augmented reality, robots, etc. All these have increased communication and collaboration significantly. Technology and banking are now inseparable. Technology has boosted digital transformation in how the banking industry works and has vastly improved banking services for their customers across the globe. Technology has made banking operations very sophisticated and has reduced errors to almost nil, which were somewhat prevalent with manual human activities. Banks are adopting artificial intelligence to increase their efficiency and profits. With the emergence of internet banking, self-service tools have replaced the traditional methods of banking. You can now access your money, handle transactions like paying bills, money transfers, and online purchases from merchants and monitor your bank statements anytime and from anywhere in the world. Technology has made banking more secure and safe. You do not need to carry cash in your pocket or wallet. The payments can be made digitally using e-wallets, mobile banking, banking apps, and cyber security are changing the face of the banking industry. Technology is largely dependent on human intervention. Computers and smartphones have led to an increase in social isolation. Young children are spending more time surfing the internet, playing games, and ignoring their real lives. Usage of technology is also resulting in job losses and distracting students from learning. Technology has been a reason for the production of weapons of destruction.